Hello guys, in this video we will see what is shadow ban in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. What is a shadow ban? A shadow ban in Call of Duty Warzone is not a permanent ban, but rather a temporary restriction placed on a player's account by Activision's anti-cheat system. It typically manifests as severely degraded matchmaking, where affected players experience significantly longer queue times, are frequently placed into hyping lobbies, and often find themselves matched against suspected cheaters or other shadow ban players. The state is usually triggered by a high volume of in-game reports against the player, suspicious gameplay patterns detected by the anti-cheat software, or the use of unauthorized third-party applications.
Step 1. Identifying shadow ban. Symptoms. Content players can identify if they are under a shadow ban through several distinct symptoms. The most prominent sign is a drastic increase in matchmaking, queue times often ranging from 2 minutes or more, even for popular game mods. Once a match is found, the player will consistently experience unusually high ping times despite having a stable internet connection. Additionally, the lobbies encountered often consist of players exhibiting clear signs of cheating, aimbots, wall hacks, or a mixture of highly skilled players and extremely low-skilled players, indicating a segregated matchmaking pool. Another, less common symptom can be an inability to join certain friends' lobbies. Step: common causes and prevention. Content shadow bans are most commonly triggered by excessive in-game reports from other players, even if those reports are false or simply due to a player performing exceptionally well. Other causes include suspicious activity flagged by the anti-cheat system, such as unusual movement patterns, highly improbable shots, or rapid skill progression using unauthorized third-party software, including certain overlays or weapons. While playing can also flag an account. To prevent a shadow ban, players should strictly avoid all forms of cheating. Do not use weapons or suspicious software while the game is active, and refrain from exploiting glitches. Playing consistently well might still lead to reports, but clean gameplay is the best defense.
Step: how to resolve a shadow ban. Content resolving a shadow ban primarily involves patience and, if necessary, submitting an appeal. Activision system typically reviews accounts under shadow ban status. If no actual cheating or policy violation is found, the shadow ban is usually lifted automatically within a few days to a couple of weeks. Players can check their account status on the Activision support website under the Appeal a Ban section. If listed as under review, it indicates a shadow ban. While waiting, it's advisable to stop playing on the affected account for a period to allow the review process to run its course without further activity that might prolong it. If the ban persists or the status isn't updating, submitting a polite and truthful appeal through the official Activision support portal is the recommended next step. Step: post-resolution. Best practices. Content: once a shadow ban is lifted, it's crucial for players to continue adhering to fair play guidelines to avoid retriggering the system. Avoid actions that initially led to the ban, such as using any questionable third-party software, exploiting glitches, or ingenuine behavior that could be misconstrued as cheating. If the shadow ban was likely due to false reports, continuing to play cleanly is the only way to demonstrate legitimate gameplay over time. Should the issue recur without any clear reason, consider documenting your gameplay and reporting any in-game cheaters you encounter to help maintain a healthier game environment.